This video will demonstrate how to add apps and extensions from the Chrome Web Store on your Chromebook. First, you're going to click the launcher from the bottom left-hand corner of your Chromebook, and then you're going to search for the Web Store. Okay, once you find that, you're going to click it. And here you will see all of the apps and extensions that have been approved for Suffolk Public Schools. So you're going to scroll through and you're going to find the app or extension that you would like to add and select it. From here, you're going to click Add to Chrome, and then you're going to click Add Extension. Once it's been added, you'll see it for just a second up here in the top right-hand corner. When you X the description out, it will go away. What you'll need to do is click the extensions puzzle piece here, and then you'll locate the extension that you just added. And what you'll need to do is you'll need to pin it so that it shows up in the extension toolbar. And so text mode is what I just added. Notice how the push pin is not lit up in blue. So I'm going to click it. And that pins it here to the toolbar. If there's something that an extension that you want to keep and not uninstall, but you don't necessarily need to show it here in the toolbar, you can click the puzzle piece again, and then you can unpin it, and then it won't show here. If there's any extension that you no longer need and you want to uninstall, you just simply right-click on the extension and choose Remove from Chrome, and then click Remove.